हाँ जी बच्चे, आज हमने ना पोटेंशियोमीटर में सेल का इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस डिटरमिन करना है। यू हैव गिवन दिस सर्किट डायग्राम पॉइंट बी टू पॉइंट ए। दिस इज़ अ पोटेंशियोमीटर, दिस इज़ अ रेजिस्टेंस दैट इज़ कनेक्टेड विद a cell, driver cell is this, and this is point A, and we have to determine the internal resistance of cell E dash. First of all, make the connections. Now we'll go to the potentiometer. In this potentiometer, this is point B and this is point A. Now look at the diagram. At point B, with point B we connect a resistance box, with point B we connect a resistance box. Then see again the diagram. Other end of the resistance box connect with the negative of driver cell. So other end of the resistance box is this. It is connected with the negative of the driver cell, that is minus, मतलब black color. And then again in the circuit diagram, positive of the driver cell connected with A, and then A with E dash, and then A with R dash. It means point A connected with the positive of driver cell, positive of E dash, and resistance R dash. It means from point A there should be three wires. From this is point A. From point A there are three wires. From point A there are three wires. First wire from this point goes to the positive of the driver cell. Second wire from this point goes to the positive of the secondary cell, positive of the secondary cell, and third wire from this goes to the resistance, this resistance. So from point A there are three wires. First wire goes to the driver cell, second wire goes to the positive of the this cell, that is E dash, and third wire goes to R dash. This is point A. तो आपने पॉइंट ए के साथ थ्री कनेक्शंस करने हैं। ड्राइवर सेल से वायर ए तक लेके आनी है, ई डैश के पॉजिटिव से वायर ए तक लेके आनी है, एंड जो रेजिस्टेंस है 5 ओम वाला उससे वायर आपकी ए तक जा रही है। एंड आफ्टर डैट रेजिस्टेंस जो आर डैश है, इट इज़ कनेक्टेड विद की। रेजिस्टेंस आर डैश is connected with key, and other end of the key is connected with negative of the E dash. Other end of the key connected with negative of the E dash and galvanometer. So other end of the key connected with E dash, negative of the E dash and galvanometer. This is the end galvanometer. तो की का जो सेकेंड एंड है उससे हमने 2 वायर्स निकाली है। सेकेंड एंड से जो फर्स्ट वायर है वो तो जा रही है नेगेटिव ऑफ द सेल, एंड इससे जो अदर वायर जा रही है दैट गोज़ टू द गल्वेनोमीटर। देन आफ्टर लास्ट सेकेंड एंड ऑफ द गल्वेनोमीटर विद जोकी। आई रिपीट द कनेक्शंस। Point B. Again look at the diagram carefully which we drawn. Point B connect with the resistance. Point B connect with the resistance. See the diagram. Point B, this is point B. It is connected with that resistance box. Okay. Other end of the resistance box connected with the positive of the battery, that is driver cell. See the diagram. Point B connect with the resistance box, and the resistance box second end connect with the negative of the driver cell, and then positive of the driver cell. See again, positive of the driver cell connect with A, and that point A connect with positive of E dash and R dash. So from point A there are three wires. See, from point A there are three wires. First wire goes to the positive of driver cell, second wire goes to the positive of E dash, and third wire goes to the resistance. that is 5 ohm. Now again, with resistance R dash we have a key. With resistance R dash we connect a key. Second end of the key connect with E dash and galvanometer. Second end of the key has two wires. First connection with negative of the battery C and second with galvanometer, and other end of the key with galvanometer and jockey. So this is the proper apparatus, proper diagram that is drawn. Now check the circuit. First of all, touch the jockey at 0 point and at other point. If the galvanometer deflection is double sided, it means our connections are correct and we can proceed. See, when we touch the jockey at point O, galvanometer deflection. When we touch the jockey at point O, galvanometer deflection left side, and when we touch the jockey at other end, galvanometer deflection right side. So it means our connections are correct. When we touch the jockey at point O, deflection left side, and when we touch the jockey at other end, deflection right side. You see, it means our connections are correct. Now open this key, open the key. Now move the jockey. See the galvanometer carefully. Move the jockey. See the galvanometer carefully. We have to obtain the null point. So we are sliding a jockey on a wire. See students, when we move the jockey, needles move and we are very close to the null point, and this is point O. Now here deflection 0. Now note, this is wire, complete wire of length 1 meter, another wire of length also 1 meter, that is 1 meter plus 1 meter, 2 meter, that is 200 centimeter, and we obtain null point at this point, that is 10 point pe. It means balance length L1 is 210. Balance length L1 is 210. Now we close the key and repeat the same experiment. Close the key and repeat the same experiment. See, oh yes, we can get balance length only at 27 centimeter. So when we move the jockey, balance length we obtain on a first wire. When we move the jockey, we obtain balance length on a first wire, that is at 27 centimeter. You see, that is at approx 27 centimeter. Okay. Now L1 is known to us. L1 is known to us. L1 is known to us, that is 210 centimeter. L2 is 27 centimeter, and we use resistance R dash 5 ohm. Put the value 210 by 27 minus 1 into R dash है 5 ohm. So when we solve it, it becomes 33.8 ohm. So this is the internal resistance of a cell. Thank you.